Hello guys, today we're going with the 2015 Math Prize for Girls problem 17. So let S be the sum of all distinct real solutions of the equation. The square root of x plus 2015 is equal to x squared minus 2015. So compute the floor of 1 over s. So first of all, we want to square both sides and get value for x. So what we do is we get x is equal to x squared minus 2015 squared minus 2015. And we notice that if we set this value for x, then it's satisfied, because then x is equal to x squared minus 2015, which is exactly x again, so x is equal to x. And so this means that x squared minus x minus 2015 is a root of the equation. Then we need to find the other root, so we need to expand this. And so what do we get? We get x to the fourth minus 4030 x squared plus 2015 times 2014, as we have to subtract 1 2015, and then we have to subtract x is equal to 0. And so obviously it has to be x squared, as x squared, x fourth, x to the fourth. And then the constant term has to be 2014, as 2015 times 2014. And so what is the final term? And well, we know that it's going to have to be plus x, as xx negative x. And we can also just test this out, because 2015, 2014 x, they add up to 4030. Well, negative x. So these are our two roots, and now let's use the quadratic formula to find the roots. So x is equal to 1 plus minus, from the first equation we get 8061 all over 2. And x is equal to, from this we get 1 plus minus 8057 over 2. And now key observation is that x squared has to be greater than 2015, because since x is a real number, both sides have to be non-negative. And so x squared has to be greater than or equal to 2015. And so basically, just from judgment, we know that 1 minus the square root of 8061 is not going to be greater, and negative 1 plus is not going to be greater. Because these are both really close to 2015, and so we need the signs to be the exact same, or else they will not make the cut. And so what I mean by this is that only 1 plus the square root of 8061 will work, and only negative 1 minus the square root of 8057 will work. And so adding these up, we get square root 8061 minus square root of 8057 over 2. And this is our s value. So we want to find 1 over s. So 1 over s is 2 over this value. And we want to rationalize the denominator. So we get 2 times the square root of 8061. 61 plus square root of 8057 over 4. So we want to find the floor of the square root of 8061 over plus square root of 8047 over 2. And so we want to find what square root is close to this. Well, what is 89 squared? So we notice that all of these are in between 89. Both of these are in between 89 and 90. And so the floor of this will be 89, as 2 89s over 2 is just 89, and we're asking for the floor, so the smallest value is 89. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.